bit more wheel speed.
Cool. Yeah, I'll show you. Like I said, I'll bust it out later.
Yeah. We'll check.
All the time, if this stopped working, and then instead of it just walking, now if it's not going the right way, it goes in reverse too. It's probably a program.
Because for these units, you want to give it.
Oh yeah.
So you're probably like doing this.
Bolster, I think I gotta use that on every turn, on every
I know,
corner.
bro.
So
Just because it's new and you got
yeah,
it.
and you're excited to use it.
Yeah.
So that's why I really think I did it just by like user error type of shit.
No. We'll figure it out, bro. Yeah.
Yep. Pink wheels are your favorite upgrade on there, right?
Yeah.
Trust me. Hell yeah. I even, I played around, I just hit them with some spray paint and then just wet sanded the shit out of them. And so, spray paint and wet sand them down. So, it gets
It's not working.
Well, you can't go straight up.
Yeah, come on.
It's good. It's good.
But look at it. Is that straight up enough?
I was trying to hook here. That's what my problem was. But I'm longer too. So maybe I
but
can.
that means you have more reach.
So how do you like the rock bumps? I just got them.
Bumps on your dude.
Not my favorite, but they're good. They're good. Good enough. Better than above average.
That's, you know what? I'll take that for what it is.
Yeah. But I mean, that's my preference. There's other people who would have another opinion. But I'm spoiled with what I like.
I think it's huge. I didn't realize it was that big.
It's all good. That's
Just
why,
the same
that's
way
why
it's
I
Gladiator.
seen
This
it.
is
I want
10
your
mil
opinion.
longer.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about
Yeah,
it.
that's
Run 'em
look,
right
Javi.
out.
XL.
Javi.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
that's what I like right
actually
there.
165.
Fuck yeah.
I keep getting hung up. Get me over and then it'll hang me up right there.
Come on,
Yeah,
come on,
you
motherfucker.
got that.
Hook the rear, hook the rear. Go,
You
go,
got
go.
that.
You're right there.
It's the cab, not the chassis. The cab
There's a
is
hard
Come
bar.
on.
Nice.
Oh,
There
yeah.
you go.
Woohoo! Fuck yeah.
fucking cab.
That was hard.
It's not. It should be trimmed a little bit right there so it doesn't
I'm
catch.
glad you're having fun with those IR60 bodies. I can't. I bought one, the pink one, and I hated it. I was like,
Ay, vas a...
Does that feel better than last time? Closer.
Reverse back and then go toward the left, yeah. And reverse back again to the right, turn right, and reverse back. Okay, now turn left, yeah. Now go forward. There you go, there you go. Careful, careful. You got it, you got it. at you went all the way around.
Right here with Patrick. Cheers to company. You got something very unique that I've never seen actually. Dual motor transmission.
Yeah, so we have a dual motor dig kit that we're releasing for the TRX4M and SCX24s. Pretty much something like this, where we have a brushless motor connected to the front axle, a motor connected to the rear, and through your remote you'll be able to disconnect each motor, essentially giving you a dig feature where you can pivot on each axle that you use.
Give me an explanation, how does the remote actually work? Like, how would I set that up?
Yeah, so on each digital remote, well, like the mid end and higher end remotes, you have an option to set up a mix where you could have let's see, they call it like a slave channel, where you tell your remote that you want one channel to mimic another channel. So you would want your third channel to mimic everything that your throttle channel is doing, and then that's what the second motor runs off of. The third channel is mimicking the throttle channel. Then you set it on a switch to where you turn off that mix, essentially turning off the rear or front axle.
Which acts as dig.
Exactly, activates your dig.
So on higher end, you can actually even get more overdrive on the front by slowing down the rear.
Yeah, that's another feature that you can get on our kits is on the fly overdrive control. Yeah.
So you just get a lot more than just a dig. You get overdrive, dig, control to your options.
Exactly, yeah. Each of our kits come with the two motors, dual brushless ESC that uses AM32 chips, NSDRC BEC, and the bracket to mount it onto the SCX24 platform or the TRX4 platform.
Just kick me out.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah. So as long as you have a remote that you know can set the mix up, then our good kits will work.
Which a bunch of the Spectrum actually can do that.
Yeah,
too.
Spectrum remotes can, BallzRC, some Mias remotes can.
The Fly Sky, Noble
Fly
can,
Sky,
that's another
Noble
one.
for sure, yeah, Noble.
There's plenty of videos that can do that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, awesome. Website, where can they order this from?
Yeah, on Etsy. Our Etsy is JRS3D. You can also hit us up on Instagram. Our Instagram is micro_. You spell out the underscore, so it's micro, MICRO _UNDERSCORE. You can hit us up there, DM us, and we can get you set up.
I'll put the link on the website.
Yeah.
Of course.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Anything else you want to just show us real quick?
Nothing much. Like I said, we have kits for the TRX4M, the SCX 24s. We also sell brushless ESCs, where we take the AM32 chip and again the NSD-RC BEC. You just wire it up, package it all, tune it for whatever motor you want, and then we send it off to you.
Ballsy will show me a little one of those. It's actually almost the same size as the Fury Tech.
Yeah.
Just a little bit less of a footprint.
Yeah. A
really
little
like
bit
that.
smaller than
Yeah.
the Fury Tech, and we package it all and try to get the wiring as clean as we can.
Yeah, I saw it. Just two wires, and then just the motor one goes into
Straight into the
super
ESC.
clean, super easy. I like that.
Yeah.
Fit on just any rig pretty much.
Yeah. You can run it on any rig.
Thank you so much.
Cool, bro. Thank
Awesome.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Is that whole like Etsy thing? Yeah. But with that ESC, you could like add parameters and all that.
Yeah.
To get like
I'm still chasing that once it hits about 12, it's a fucking
Ban the shop. The top thing.
We rather walk away with shit. I don't want to have to get a good card for a playback. I go 3 hours away from that. The token is great if you can come next to it, get you back.
Yeah.
And like with Matt and EnjoyMusic, he's doing it every time for drivers. That's cool, but I think it's
Because from here, yeah, it's like another hour.
Yeah, you're good. Clear.
Now it's in the cold spot. Bodega now, but then it's like another 15 to 30 minutes depending on traffic and stuff like that. All of the coast there. Yeah. And we got a Peter Tucker.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I was like, I was bummed. I was like, oh, yeah. I gotta pay some next week, so you don't get some.
I was here last week, but I couldn't call them. Yeah, they're in all my 30 access. This got all customers in 2 weeks, dude.
That's happened a lot lately.
This thing's a beast. Yeah, it's been.
Yes, it is.
This guy got in the full weight.
Oh, what was that? I know that's what I'm trying to say. It just went in.
Okay.
Yeah, the only way I found the other AK
Yeah.
was having it right here, my little 30, and it fell, and I'm like, oh damn it, I picked it up, and it was right here.
Oh,
Oh, you
clean.
found the other one too?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I give it to that other one as well. See it? She got some good deals too.
Oh, nice. What kind?
You can do it. I almost got up with her there, but I slid off the side.
You say the tires aren't as good as this.
No, they're not. They're not. They're the same. I found out they're the same compound as the black label.
I don't like the black label.
Nope.
I'm not a fan of them.
You mean the new truck? They're the same as the.
No, you're talking about these tires that he has now, the Trail Kings, right?
Yeah.
Those are the new Trail Kings. Remember, I told you Trail Kings?
See, I can't get it to go up now. I can't straighten it out.
I've been coming out wide on it now, like this.
On tires?
Yes.
The new Trail
The
Kings.
new ones.
had like really good
I've had really good luck with them. Me? No. The,
Can I get in it? I know it's not 6x6, but.
There you go.
Yeah, like, I'll take the picture, but I won't upload it.
Is my 6x6 technically it has 4 extra wheels?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, it's got 6 wheels.
5x5?
5x5, yeah.
Because it has 5 on each side. I don't know. Oh, who's a buggy?
10 by 10.
5x5.
Oh, this
There it is.
this is 2 scale for me.
Stuck?
Yeah, they're actually stuck on one of the pins.
Pop it off.
I'm gonna pump this over here.
Hasn't earned the legs on it. No, no, it's all good, brother. Thank you. Yep, appreciate it. All right.
The other way for that guy.
You want to flip it or no? Okay, I'll flip it. Go.
Wow. Okay. Hell yeah.
Yeah, right?
We're all over here like that gate, just like a switch. Okay. We just swing it over this way.
Okay. Nice, nice.
Woo!
That was a clean
Look
run.
at you, girl. There you go.
Gears and everything.
Watch that gate. Watch that gate.
Run it through. Yep. Gears are all hard to steal. And some that are good, some not for gear and body gear and top gear and size.
If you hit the gate and you're almost up, just go through it because you're already going through it.
Yeah.
Okay?
For different.
There you go. That's great. Oh yeah.
Nice one, yeah. There you go.
There you go. You got it.
Yeah, it was this motor would eat the.
Alright. Yep.
Too much power. Did I tell you that I ovaled out the yoke right
Back it
here?
up.
And to replace it, it was like this. The tin
There you
stayed
go.
back
We're gonna turn
on
up
the
to
side.
the pirate.
Yeah, it ovaled out. It was on one side. So they wore the yoke together. This thing is so big. And just I couldn't get one of the during
Don't hit the skate.
One was the 70s, famous one was Gladiator, and this one had the original.
Go straight, no, straight down, straight down. There you go. Now split that gap. There you
There you go. There you go. Okay, that's it.
I had to try something different. The other way is too easy. You have to point where I can slow crawl it. There you go.
No pressure.
Don't screw it up.
Battery. Come on, battery.
Oh.
I had it.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Like I said, the camper's nice for looks.
Yeah, that'd be sick. You know that, but Nice Terry needs to do a big already over here, and then we need to get like a group of us together to see if we can get a path created. Like 2 maximum call boxes. Because like right now at this time of year, it's all fucking flooded and shit. Like, well, it's like Nice Terry this way, like this time of the year. You kind of got to go through like this back way. Have you been there? Yeah, you go
You gotta work with your foot. Yeah. You gotta kind of predict it.
Yeah, let me know next time you go. I'll up there.
Squeeze that back left.
Yeah.
You're rushing when you're just bouncing on the lines. And yeah, you got there fast.
Yeah, if you're going for the bonus, bro, you definitely just fucking, you know what I mean? Don't rush that one.
You don't have to rush it. You gotta go.